Hello everybody, today we're going to talk about ADAS calibration systems. So what is ADAS? ADAS stands for Advanced Driving Assistance System. And how it works? It uses sensors and cameras placed around the vehicle to collect data and track objects to notify the driver of a potential collision. Over here we have a simple drawing of a vehicle and some places where ADAS cameras and radars can be found on the vehicle. So we may have two to the rear, two on either side of the side mirrors, one to the center top of the windshield, and a radar in front of the vehicle, normally in the center front grille. Some common abbreviations: LKA, lane keep assist, and LDW, lane departure warning. The location is in the front of the vehicle. It detects lane lines on the road and notifies the driver. It corrects the vehicle back onto the road if the driver crosses the lane unknowingly. ACC, adaptive cruise control, the location again, in front of the vehicle. It monitors the vehicle in front of you and will help keep your vehicle in a safe driving distance position by applying the brakes if need be. BSD, blind spot monitoring. The location is to the rear. It detects the vehicle approaching from the rear. When the driver activates the turn signal, it will check to see if there are any vehicles to the rear lanes, and it will notify the driver. So some common other abbreviations: we have AVM, around view monitoring. It gives you a 360 view of the environment around the vehicle. It assists the vehicle in self-parking. NV, night vision, helps the driver see at night. AEB and FCW. So AEB stands for autonomous vehicle braking or automatic braking, and FCW stands for front collision warning. So sometimes on certain manufacturers they are tied into one. PPS, pedestrian protection. All right, this will check if there are any pedestrians walking in front or to the rear of the vehicle and will automatically apply the brake accordingly. So when do ADAS systems need calibration? When there's a windshield replacement or sensor actuator failure. So how do we repair? Well, the first thing we need to do is we need to do a diagnostic test to determine what part of the ADAS system needs repairing. We carry out the repairs, and then using an ADAS calibration frame, we recalibrate the system. So which companies need ADAS calibration frames? Windshield replacement companies, collision repair shops, mechanic garage, and car dealerships. Now just a quick reminder that ADAS calibration frames are sold through Caribbean Tools and Equipment Limited. Feel free to give us a call at 684-5631. So now we will do a demonstration on how to use an ADAS calibration frame. Right, so we have the ADAS calibration frame positioned and we have the vehicle. And how do we know this vehicle carries ADAS? On the grille, there's a front collision warning sensor on the grille, and on the windscreen, there's a camera. So we will use this frame to calibrate the ADAS system on this vehicle. Right, so this vehicle has an ADAS fault in it, and we're going to use the frame to calibrate the ADAS system, and hopefully all the check lights will go off. Right, so we are plugged in here with the diagnostic scan tool. So we're going to proceed to calibrate the ADAS system. Right, so we're going to proceed to do the calibration. So the first thing you want to do is select Toyota, front camera, special function, front recognition. You want to select ADAS. You want to select continue. This is the OEM specifications. You want to hit next. You want to hit sequential. Hit next. This is the area in front of the vehicle that has to be cleared in order to do the calibration. Hit next. Hit next. This is the specifications of the frame. So everything has to be zeroed. So we already did that. And we're going to attach the rear wheel targets. Right, so the wheel targets have been installed. All right. So we're going to hit next. And it's saying here to turn on the center laser. That's this one here. So we're going to turn that on. All right. And the rear target lasers are also on. All right. So we'll hit next. We need to turn on the center level to center the vehicle to the frame. So that's this one here. All right. So with that laser, we should be able to center the frame to the vehicle. So we're going to go ahead now and adjust the frame to the center of the vehicle. Right, so as you can see here, the frame isn't centered to the vehicle. It's a little bit off. So we're going to use this knob here to center the frame onto the vehicle. So you're going to turn this knob. All right. So as you can see here, now the frame is in the center of the vehicle. So you're going to follow the instructions on the scan tool. Hit next. All right. You're going to make sure and turn on the center laser. So center laser is on. Hit next. Right. Adjust the frame parallel. We already did that. We already made all the fines and adjustments. Rangefinder is, it's saying here 1350, but we have it at 1351. That's okay. Hit next. Right, so now we're going to attach the ADAS target and proceed with the calibration. Right, so we have attached the target and we're going to finish up the calibration. So we're going to hit calibrate. Select OK. So it's calibrating. So we're going to switch the ADAS target to the position 2. Right, so we're at position 2 and we're going to hit calibrate again. Okay. So it's calibrated. So we need to switch the target now to position 3. Right, so we at position 3. We're going to hit calibrate. Okay. Right. So recognition camera access adjustment is complete. So the system has been calibrated. So you want to hit OK. And it will ask if you want a report. Select OK. And you could create a report to give to the customer with this. And this is the report. All right. And so on. So if you're interested in purchasing an ADAS calibration frame for your garage or workshop, feel free to give us a call at 684-5631 or Google Caribbean Tools and Equipment Limited. Send us a message and we'll be more than happy to help you.